About a week ago, I made a game called JVMP or Jump and released it for free on itch.io. Since then, I have received tons of helpful feedback from friends, family, and random people on the internet. So far, this game has outperformed any other game I've made previously, so I'm very motivated to work on it. However, it is still very rough around the edges, and there are a lot of bugs I need to fix and a lot of content that I want to add. If you haven't seen the first video, I suggest watching it as it provides the backstory on how we got to this point. Link in the description. Starting off, I added a timer to the game. Due to popular demand, the game is now about trying to get the lowest possible time on each level rather than completing the level in the fewest amount of deaths possible. This change fits the game a lot better, and I think it adds a lot of more replayability. The death count now is changed to an attempt count and is shown whenever you beat a level in the new win screen. Previously, when you beat a level, you just got sent into the next one. Now a screen pops up that shows some stats and gives you a few options with buttons. I think this change adds a lot of polish to the game. With this done, I was feeling confident and wanted to build the game and test things out. Of course, this did not work on the first try. However, with a lot of trial and error and help from the beautiful people of Reddit, I got it working. The next thing I wanted to tackle was the player movement. At first I didn't think the movement was that bad, but man, it was. The game felt like it was being played on the moon, and the click and drag system had some bugs that made it very unsatisfying to use. After tweaking some values, I think I have made things a little better, but it's not perfect. When trying to balance things like movement speed, it is really important to have an unbiased view to see what it's like for the average player playing your game, rather than me who has been playing this game every day for the past week. That's why it's important to playtest your game as often as possible, as you will find out the most about your game from watching other people play. The most updated version of JVMP is now out on itch.io for free to play, link in the description. If you have some free time, give it a shot and leave some feedback. Everything helps me improve the game. In the next devlog, I'm hoping to have more levels and add a shop. I have never been an organized person, however organization is key in creating a game. I started using Milanote, and so far I love it. I'm not sponsored by Milanote, and by no means is this video affiliated with them. I just genuinely enjoy using their software and I'm running out of free space. So if you use my link in the description to sign up, I get some extra space to use. That's a win-win right there. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.